everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix invite collaboration option not showing in Instagram. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Invite Collaborator is a new feature on Instagram that allows its users to collaborate on Instagram posts or reels with friends or any other user. If the Instagram Collaborator tool is not working, then here's how you can fix it. First, tap open your Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. From your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Select Settings from the expanded menu and tap on the Help option from the options. Select Report a problem. Tap on Report a problem option and now briefly explain your problem in the text box. For example, I'm gonna type in this information over here. Once you type in your problem in the text box, just like I've done it right here, tap on the next button at the top right. Now select Send Report option on the next page at the bottom and your report has been uploaded successfully. Wait for Instagram to get back to you with the solution and you might be able to fix the issue. That was one of the easiest way to fix invite collaboration option not showing issue on your Instagram app. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.